it up on my brain, crypto, oh you saying. Talk out with the code, man, I swear to the lane. Ice on my neck, that shine like a gem. If you don't talk money, man, I know what you're saying. It kinda hot, just body stocks. Nas with 100, but I never gas. I want out the hood.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking into my 2 trades on the NASDAQ 100 today. So today I had 2 trades. What date is it? October 23rd. We saw that bearish movement from last week come in, and then basically had a moment of a reversal in, what would you say? I would say early pre-market. So that was around 6 o'clock. You can see that reversal. And then I basically entered and got an exit, closed out the trade for a profit of about $52. When this reversal actually came in, this is when I sold the second one for close to 0 profit, because I thought market was gonna just push down a little more. But overall, I was right on the day. If I had held it more, I would have made profits, but I didn't want to hold it and let it kind of clear me out there, right? So let's just look at where I entered and exited, and it's a totally new setup. So it's a little different for me. I'm sorry if I'm a little messed up. So let's look at the first trade. I have to just zoom that out a bit. So the first trade, I'm going to just show you them on the daily because these times are a little messed up than what you see on the chart. So on the daily, I'm just showing you where I entered to the buy side. So let's look at the first trade that was closed for a $52 profit. So I entered here. So I entered there at 14. What's going on? 14,458. That's where I entered to the buy side. If you were just looking at the charts on the daily, you could have said there would have been a probability for some buy side movement just based on like that huge sell-off we had. So we have huge sell-off, and then you have like a little reversal, and then we can look for more sells because the trend is very bearish right now. You can actually see it more in the chart. You're like down, stepping down lower. So that's how I'm just planning to trade it. I'm not a master at this, but I'm just journaling my process, and you can actually see that I'm getting actually better. The trades are hitting more. So let's just see. Other than this, I had 2 more winning trades on other profiles, but I won't be showing them. So this one I entered at 14,458. So I was just looking for, I think, what ICT would call some manipulation, and then you have like a distribution to the upside. So you had like manipulation to the downside at 6 or 7 a.m. and then you had like a push to the upside, like a violent push, and basically went and kind of hit the other side of the money, and you could have exited there. So I would have been able to get a lot more profits if I had held it, but I just wanted to. I would say I was a little fearful today. So this is where I closed out the trade, but you see I could have made a lot more money. So this one was a profit of $52.79. The next one I entered at 14,483. So this one was a little higher. So I entered there at 14,483, and then I closed it at about break even. And then on the hourly chart, you can actually see where I closed it because it's pretty obvious. So you see it's pretty break even there. But if you go to the hourly, you can see what happened here. So I entered, I would say I probably entered at around 6 or 7. But then when it got to 9 o'clock and you kind of had this reversal into here, this one I just exited. I didn't think that price would have continued back to the upside, right? So when price kind of came and messing with me down here, I didn't feel like I wanted to sit and find out if price was gonna come back up from coming down here. I knew it would have came back down here. It came back down here. and that gave it enough strength to kind of push up. So today was bullish. Like I was right on the bias, but after I made those 2 trades, I just decided, yeah, I'm not going to chase it anymore. Going into tomorrow, I'm looking for some sells. So that's basically my bias for tomorrow, because all right, the trend is bearish. Yeah, you had a little reversal, a little weakness here, but I'm looking for sells on the week as well. So let's just see what happens. So if we're looking for sells, what strategy is telling me to do is, all right, wherever this level is, we're looking for entries above here. Even this would have been the best entry. This can be a good entry, and then we target to the downside. So let's just see how that plays out. And if you get a good entry here at 14,757, and you get a move down to 14,400, that's $300. So just a little bit more, and I'll be past this challenge live, and you'll see all of the trades from before. So you can see it's a little different video, but I got everything set up, no lags. It should be clean and clear. Hope you enjoy this video. We can kind of incorporate a different type of media going forward, because I've upgraded the equipment, right? But I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.